Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can connect Printify to Redbubble. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, sign up for an account on Printify if you haven't already. Now choose the products you want to sell, for example, t-shirts, mugs, etc., and design them using Printify's designing tools. It's often a good idea to order samples of your products to check the quality before selling them. Then sign up for a Redbubble account if you don't have one. Create your designs and upload them to your Redbubble store. On your Redbubble dashboard, navigate to the section where you can add products. Manually input the details and images for each product based on what you've created on Printify. Set prices for your products on Redbubble based on your preferences. Now publish your products on Redbubble for sale. When a customer places an order, you would manually place the order on Printify, and they will handle the printing and shipping. So that's basically how you can connect Printify to Redbubble. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.